Brainy Sharks.
One, two, three, 4, 5 little crocodiles swimming in the pool. One snapped hard and broke his tooth. Daddy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more crocodiles swimming in the pool." 1, 2, 3, 4 little crocodiles swimming in the pool. One snapped hard and broke his tooth. Daddy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more crocodiles swimming in the pool." What is snapped? What is snapped? Snapped means to close the jaws quickly and sharply. Quickly and sharply. Quickly and sharply. Snapped means to close the jaws quickly and sharply. Quickly and sharply. Quickly and sharply. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, purple, pink. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, purple, pink too. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors together. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, purple, pink too. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors together. There is red and there is green, yellow and blue, bright and clean. Orange, purple, pink, so bright. Black and white in day and night. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors together. Red, red, apple is red. Green, green, leaves overhead. Yellow, yellow, lemon so bright. Blue, blue, sky so light. Orange, 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 yummy. Purple, purple, grapes in my tummy. Pink, pink, flowers bloom. Colors make the world go zoom. Red and green are lively. Purple and pink are lovely. Orange and blue are bubbly. All the colors are heavenly. The colors, let's learn the colors. Let's sing the color song together. Fritz, do you know the Festival of Colors? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Holly, yes, holly is the Festival of Colors. Holly, yes, holly is the Festival of Colors.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a big fall.
Humpty Dumpty shattered on the ground. Broken pieces all around.
Shatter means to break, 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 like a glass or shiny plate.
Say it loud with me now.
Shatter means break,
Break, break.
shatter means break, break,